Welcome to AI Arch Wizard. In this episode, I would like to show you how to control Chrome from Claude by Anthropic. How to control Google Chrome web browser. There are two ways. One way is external from Claude, that is connecting to Chrome. And another one is internal, directly from Chrome extension. So I have installed Claude here. I type Claude Claude space minus Chrome, and Claude Command Line User Interface appears. And now I enter the prompt that I prepared before via paste. Open Chrome, and inside the Chrome, open URL uitestingplayground.com/text input, and in the text field, please enter the text test from Claude Command Line Interface and press the button. So let's see if it will work. You see, a new window of Chrome opened. It says MCP here. It opened this website. It's a little bit slow, so now it's taking over the browser. Debugging session, so to say. You see, he entered the text, and next it will see, and it pressed the button. So it worked. And it says, all done. Here's what was accomplished. Navigated to the website, entered the text in the text field, and clicked the button. And then the text on the button changed to the text from the input text field. So it was remote control from command line. And you can see that this could be very useful for developing web applications or testing some web design or something, because this is external, and here you can also call compiling and programming tasks, like add some button or change some position, something like that. And another way is by using sidebar from Claude extension, and in this case I just open here. I have selected act without asking, and I give the commands inside of the sidebar. And note that here there's possibility to teach Claude some workflows. So if you have some click workflows, you can teach it Claude and call it. But in this case, we just want to open the website and do the same as from the command line. And you see, I am on Windows, so you don't need to have Macintosh for that. You see? It took over control. There is such orange color here. And okay, so my mistake was that I entered the text the same as from command line. So let's do the same and test from Claude extension without command line, and let's repeat it. I think making mistakes is good, because then you realize what better understand how it works. You see? And now test from Claude extension without command line. So here we presented two ways. Of course, you can ask questions about websites from the extension. You can also control the websites from your extension. So, for that, you don't need to install anything locally. So I presented to you two ways through Control Chrome. One is external from Claude Command Line Interface, where you can also develop applications, not only control websites, but also you can change code and reload again and so on. But here, if you don't have anything installed in your computer, if you don't have even administration rights as local administrator, you still can install extension and you can still control your browser and tell to do stuff. And I have to tell you, I tested it with different kinds of software, and it's very intelligent. It can do stuff that usually takes hours. It can do it in a few minutes. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments and I will answer. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to the channel and give a like.